Friends, today I'm recommending a truly special dessert for Easter, even though it's not very well known. The Benevento tart. Crumbly, tasty, I've already eaten it and I keep eating while you watch the video. Let's start by preparing the shortcrust pastry. In the flour we add the butter at room temperature, but not too soft. It should be pliable. And with a rubbing motion between our hands, we crumble the butter, making the mixture sandy. Like this. To the sandy mixture, we add a pinch of salt, the sugar, and a generous amount of freshly grated lemon zest, nice and fragrant. Let's mix a little more. And we add an egg. And we start kneading. We turn the dough out onto the work surface, and we keep working the dough with our hands until we form a soft and smooth ball. And here it is. The shortcrust dough has come together. I gently press the dough. You see how nice, soft, smooth, and compact it is. I wrap it in plastic wrap. And I let the shortcrust pastry rest in the refrigerator for at least half an hour. If you have a little more time, even better, because the longer the shortcrust pastry rests in the fridge, the better the result will be. While the shortcrust pastry is resting in the refrigerator, let's prepare the filling. We put the milk in a small saucepan and we let it warm up. Warming it up means not bringing it to a boil or making it too hot. So around 40 degrees Celsius, we add some lemon peel. We put the eggs in a bowl. And we beat them a little. The preparation involves using Strega liqueur. Exactly because it's a recipe from the Benevento area, so we need this delicious liqueur. If you don't have it available, you can use limoncello instead. Let's continue by adding the sugar to the eggs. Let's mix a little. And at this point, let's add the warm milk. And let's mix everything together. Let's add plenty of grated lemon zest. Good. And finally, the liqueur. Let's mix a little more and set it aside. What an aroma! The shortcrust pastry has rested well enough. Now we'll roll it out and line a 24-centimeter pan which I have just lightly buttered. It wouldn't really be necessary because shortcrust pastry usually contains butter, but I did it just as a precaution. So let's roll out our lovely shortcrust pastry. Nice, right? A bit of flour. And let's roll it out. A little bit of grating. Let's measure it. Perfect. Let's line it. And let's arrange it well in the pan like this. Let's remove the excess flour. Let's press it down well to prevent air bubbles from forming. Let's remove the excess dough. With these we'll make little cookies, of course, right, huh? We never throw anything away. Very good. With the tines of a fork, let's make some little holes. And our mold is lined. Beautiful. The special thing about this dessert, besides the cream we've already seen, it's more of a loose cream because it doesn't contain cornstarch. And besides this, you'll need some ladyfingers. Yes, because this will be our filling. So I'm going to arrange the ladyfingers in a herringbone pattern, and then we'll put the cream on top, like this. So let's start putting it together. Good. The herringbone pattern. Good. Take it easy, okay? Please, thank you. Relax, like that. And we keep going by cutting out little pieces and adding them like this. And we fill in the gaps. And now, using a small ladle, we pour in the cream mixture. Slowly, a little at a time, and let it soak in. So we need to be a bit patient. Let the liquid soak in a bit at first. And the ladyfingers need to soak, so let's add a bit of cream, like this. And let's leave it for 5 minutes. When we see that the liquid has started to soak into the ladyfingers, we keep going by adding more of the cream mixture, like this. And slowly we let it soak in completely. We finish it off by adding more of the cream mixture, like this. We leave it for a few more minutes. After that, we put it in the oven. The tart has come out of the oven. I baked it at 170 degrees for 45 minutes. And with that said, now we let it cool down really well. Please don't take it out of the mold before it's cooled down completely, otherwise we'll have a disaster. Okay? And now let's taste it. Let's taste it, right? Beautiful, right? Good. Come on, come here, come on. Shall we taste it together? Yes. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Here you go. Come on, take a nice bite and tell me what you think. I haven't yet. I need to taste it. Slowly savor it. In the meantime, I'll taste it too, okay? What do you think, huh? Yes, yes. I think it's good. Good, right? Oh my goodness. It's delicious, right, Vincenzo? What did you make it with? I'll explain it to you later. Okay. Dearest friends, with this wonderful tasting, I say goodbye and wish you all a happy Easter.